Hey, Bookie Back. I'm back. And today, I got a seafood burrow. And let me pray first. Lord, bless the hands to prepare this meal. Lord, please don't let me see it. Please let me get fat. Please let me enjoy my food. Thank you for all my blessings. Amen. And I'm thirsty. I don't know why I look so ugly drinking, but I do. Whew. Okay. Ouch. So I got shrimp, crawfish, corn, potatoes, egg, sausage. That's it, because I ain't feel like cracking no crab legs or nothing like that. And there's some crab rangoon. Like, if I see these on the menu, I'm going to order them. But I didn't know they came like this. I like the different shaped one. They look like a little present. This look like a purse. But air fryer, but good. And it's still going to air fryer, but they're good. Why does everybody think these are little roaches? Because that's what they look like. Don't start that. My business. This is the sausage. I don't really care for their sausage. I like king sauce and mild or medium or something. Yes, Lord. Because I know I'm around something like this. better. If I move this, that's a lot. For me, I want to give it like that amount of time I'm gonna give it. No, it's my dog being a jerk. If you heard that. Thank you. It's hot. Whoever suggested this, thank you. I can't remember the name. But I know it was a suggestion, and I didn't forget. I am such a fucking lady. No, but y'all know. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Now, I hope you had a wonderful, happy, productive, and blessed day. I'm about to go put one in the air. Cause like that's why I be stopping like y'all. I need to smoke.